An incredible lobby welcomes you home before you reach rich dark hardwood floors, meeting you at the foyer with a curved wall, wrapping around to the bright dining room next to the spacious living room with a classic brick-style mantle framing the electric fireplace. Corner glass sliding doors lead to a covered sun deck with magnificent sunset views and the Fraser River below. Butcher block countertops in the kitchen wrap around stainless steel appliances. The second balcony off the kitchen and second bedroom enjoy the tree-lined view of the Fraserview golf course. A huge primary bedroom has an incredible spa-like ensuite with a separate tile-surrounded soaker tub opposite the glass-enclosed stand-up shower. The second bedroom has a large closet with built-in cabinetry adjacent to the sliding glass patio door. The remodeled main bathroom has dramatic tile enclosed shower. A bright indoor pool is the showpiece for the amenity floor, which also has a hot tub, fitness center, and multipurpose room. A 15-minute walk takes you to the heart of the River District, cafes, groceries, and restaurants.